Let me ask you something. If you had to choose between making 100 sales to earn $500 or making just 5 sales to earn the same amount, which would you prefer? Now, that is the idea behind high-ticket affiliate marketing. Now, typically, most people start with products that pay smaller commissions, and that's totally fine. It's often the easiest way to begin. But did you know that there are also affiliate products that pay over $100 from just one sale? Now, that's what we call high-ticket affiliate marketing. And in this video, I will show you my simple beginner strategy for spotting these $100 plus offers and how you can start promoting them step by step, even if you have never tried high-ticket affiliate marketing before. Now, before we dive in, let me be clear about something. I'm not here to tell you that high-ticket affiliate marketing is the only way to do affiliate marketing. And honestly, if you are brand new, starting with lower priced products can actually help you learn the ropes. But here's the thing. Once you understand the basics of affiliate marketing, how to share your links, how to connect with an audience, how to provide value, those same skills work whether you are promoting a $20 product or a $200 product. So what we're going to be doing today is simple. I'm going to walk you through what high-ticket affiliate marketing actually is, how to find these offers, and most importantly, how to approach promoting them in a way that feels natural and beginner-friendly. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly where to look for high-ticket programs, what to consider before choosing one, and a straightforward strategy that you can start using right away. Now let's get into it. First things first, what is this high-ticket affiliate marketing? Now, high-ticket affiliate marketing is simply promoting products or services that offer higher commission payouts per sale. So instead of looking for those that offer like $20 commission, $30 commission, we are talking about offers that pay $100, $200, $500, or even more from just a single sale. Now, these are usually things that solve bigger problems or deliver ongoing value, which is why they are typically priced higher. The beauty of this is that you are not chasing volume. You do not need hundreds of sales to see meaningful results. But here's what you need to understand. High-ticket offers often require a bit more trust. People don't usually impulse buy a $200 course the way they might grab a $20 ebook because it's some change they can spare. So your approach needs to match that. You're not just throwing links around. You're going to be educating, building credibility, and helping people make informed decisions. And that is exactly what we're going to be focusing on in this strategy. Now, first of all, where do we actually find these offers? The first place you can do that is on ClickBank. ClickBank is actually an affiliate marketplace where you can find a whole ton of products that you can promote and you earn a commission when you make a sale. This is one of like the most popular affiliate networks. They have thousands of offers ranging from different niches. And the best part is you can filter by commission amounts. So if I click on top offers, you can see for this health and fitness product, average dollar per conversion, you're getting over $180 just for the sale of one single product. So you can filter by the average conversion. Probably you want a minimum of $100, and it's going to bring you products with very high commissions, which are high ticket affiliate products. ClickBank is actually free to join and you can get started immediately. Another great place that you can find high ticket products is Digistore. Now, this platform works similarly to ClickBank, but it has a strong presence in different niches. They also offer high-ticket digital products, and their dashboard makes it very easy to see exactly how much you earn per sale. Again, this is super free to sign up, and you can also filter by earnings per sale, and that would bring you from the highest earning downward. You can see this one, you can get as high as $2,355 per single sale. Another one where you can find this high-ticket affiliate product is PartnerStack. Now, this one focuses more on softwares and SaaS products. You can see ManyChat, Webflow, Monday.com. These are SaaS products, like software as a service product. Things like marketing tools, website builders, and productivity apps. Many of these programs offer recurring commissions, meaning that you get paid monthly as long as the customer stays subscribed. And some also have high one-time payout for annual plans. So if you scroll all the way, you're going to see how much you're going to earn. You can see something like deal. You can see earn $1,500 for every new paying customer. So this is a high ticket affiliate product. Now, these 3 platforms alone give you access to hundreds of high ticket offers across multiple niches. You want to pick one, you can browse through the marketplace and find something that fits what you're interested in or what you're already talking about. Now, how do you choose these high ticket affiliate offers? This is super important in order to actually hone in on this and make as much sales as possible. Now, just because something pays a high commission doesn't exactly mean it is something that you should promote. Now, here's what I recommend you look for. The first thing is you want to ask, does it solve a problem? The best high ticket products are the ones that genuinely help people. If you wouldn't recommend it to a friend, then don't promote it to strangers. The second one you want to look for is there solid sales materials? Now, most affiliate products will give you resources like email swipes, banners, or demo videos. These make your job easier, especially as a beginner. And you can see this is very typical. You can see in Digistore24, you can see affiliate support page where you find all of those helpful materials. For ClickBank, you can see view affiliate page where you're also going to see affiliate support materials that are going to help you. Now, the third thing you want to ask is, what is the refund rate? If a product has a sky-high refund rate, it's a red flag. So you don't just want to think in terms of the price. Are people buying to only refund it? You want to actually promote something people actually keep benefiting from. And the fourth one you want to ask is, does it fit your audience or your content? So if you're creating content about productivity, it makes sense to promote a high-ticket productivity course or 2. If you talk about finance, you can promote something finance-related. Relevance helps to build trust. You don't need to overthink it. You just need to pick something that makes sense, something that feels ethical, something that matches what you're already talking about. Now, here is the simple beginner strategy for promoting this high ticket affiliate offer. So once you've decided on the niche you're going for or the niche you're creating content about, and you've decided on the high ticket affiliate offer that you would like to promote, how do you promote this high ticket affiliate products? Now, the first step is you want to create valuable content around the problem, not the product. You don't want to lead with, oh, buy this course, buy that course. Instead, you create content that educates your audience on the problem that product solves. Whether it's blog posts, YouTube videos, social media posts, whatever platform it is that you are using, you want to talk about the struggle, you want to share insights, you want to offer free value. Now, one quick question that I often get all the time is, do I need to show my face in order to do this? The short answer is no. In this age and time where faceless is literally picking up at high speed, you do not need to show your face if you do not want to. Whether you're showing your face or whether you're going faceless, both of them can work. It really comes down to your comfort level and the kind of content that you want to create. So if you're comfortable on camera, then showing your face can help build trust faster because people connect with people, and when they see you, it adds a layer of authenticity that makes your recommendation feel more personal. But if you prefer staying faceless, then that's still totally fine. There are a lot of people who have built brands, channels, without ever having to show their face. The next step is to naturally mention the solution. Now, once you've provided value, you can introduce the product as one solution. You're not being pushy, you are being helpful. The third step is to be transparent. Always disclose you are using an affiliate link. It helps to build trust. Either if you are doing a YouTube video, either by adding a disclaimer, if you are putting it on your social media page, adding a disclaimer in your post always helps with transparency. You can write, oh, this is an affiliate link, meaning that I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. The fourth step is you want to focus on 1 or 2 offers at a time. It helps you stay consistent and learn what works. More so, it is high-ticket affiliate product, and you want to build enough credibility on one product. And like I said, since it's high-ticket affiliate marketing, people may not impulse buy it like they would buy a low-ticket offer. So you want to double down and deep dive by focusing on 1 or 2 high-ticket offers at a time. And the fifth step is you want to follow up and stay consistent. Now, this is something that is really important to understand. High-ticket sales rarely happen overnight. It takes a lot of trust building, and sales do not happen overnight. Remember earlier when I said people don't impulse buy expensive products? That's exactly why you need to be patient and be consistent with your content. Someone might watch your video today, maybe see your blog post next week, and finally decide to buy a month or 2 months from now. They are doing their research. They are trying to test to be sure what you say works. They are building trust in you, and that takes time, and that is totally fine. Keep showing up, keep adding value, keep building that credibility, because here's the thing, when that conversion does happen, it is actually worth it, because one sale means over $100 in your pocket immediately. That is the power of high ticket. So the more helpful content you create, the more trust you build, and that is what is going to lead to those conversions over time. So if you would like me to do a more detailed video on how you can leverage one of these affiliate marketplace platforms to really hone in on this high ticket affiliate marketing, then do want to leave it in the comment section below so that I can know. However, if you would like to know how to explore Digistore24 or ClickBank affiliate marketing platform to do affiliate marketing, then I will be leaving 2 videos at the end of this video. One to show you how you can start ClickBank affiliate marketing as an absolute beginner, and another to show you how you can leverage Digistore24 affiliate marketplace as an absolute beginner. So if that interests you, you may want to click either of the videos that piques your interest best and go check it out.